All right, to change a 2002 Volkswagen Cabrio door handle. I already got started, decided to make this video. First, you take out these screws. They use Allen wrench. Just forgot the size. There's one around. And you take off the door handle. 2 screws. They go in there. Actually, one in that hole, one in that hole. Take off the screws around the speaker, after the grill, of course. And then you just shimmy the door out. Be careful with the wires. There's one here, another one that goes here. This one goes there. You have this one. You have this one that goes right near the door lock. And this bottom one that goes for the light. Take all those out. You don't have to take off the speaker if you don't want. Just be careful. Don't break anything. Open here. The door handle over there. Side there. In order to get it out, there's 3 star screws. Uses this. Just forgot the size. And then you get the door. And I'm gonna pause it. Show you how I got the door handle out. Alright, little bloopy here, warning. You gotta get this one out, this screw out. I'm just holding in there. So this is already coming loose. That screw is here. So if you put it there, you'll see that this screw is this one. Gotta loosen that. Give it a shot again. Alright, take the screw out. And now that slides out. This should shimmy out. Nice and easy. Voila. And I'm gonna take this gasket off and put it on the new one. So here's the old. And repeat the process the same. To put it in. Just shimmy it in carefully. You're gonna have to watch out on this side. That's where it's going in. So you gotta get it in there. Get this side in. Get there. And then get the actual door lock, the arm. Which is this bracket. Yeah, that bracket. That's the slide in. This little tab, and that's what makes the whole thing work. Let's make sure this is gonna work. My son's crying over there. All right. Bam. Just gotta put the gasket in. Looks good over there. And I get this arm and that tab I mentioned earlier. And then put all the screws in. So then I have to put this screw. In order to put these 3. To make sure this whole assembly, which is a lock, lines all 3 screws, 3 holes. And then I'm gonna test it. Well, put everything back up, test it, and we should be good. All right.